Show us what else you can do. Awesome. That was a very good order that just went by. That was great. Thank you. I'm going to reset your light again. Okay. I'm about 6 feet away from him. Show us what you can. Thank you for showing yourself again. Thank you. Do you guys want to do anything? This one you can see her move her eyes sometimes. There you go. What can you do? You're making me boring. It's kind of getting boring. You're gonna make the bell ring like crazy now? Awesome, thank you. That was very cool. Thank you for doing that. I'm fixing to turn the camera off. You only got a couple more minutes. Want to do something that's really cool? Can you make your vessel move again and make sounds? Let me turn the bell off. Turn the bell off. Show us what you can do. That was cool. Thank you. You did very well. Thank you. Just seen an orb go by and it looks like a mist. Only got 10 more seconds. You got 5 more seconds.